Welcome back. Today, we're making a classic sloppy joe, a delicious sandwich filled with seasoned ground beef in a rich, tangy tomato sauce. It's quick, easy, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add 1 pound of ground beef and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, breaking it into small crumbles until browned. Drain any excess fat. Next, add 1 small finely chopped onion, 1 small diced green bell pepper, and 2 minced garlic cloves. Cook for 4 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the vegetables become soft and fragrant. Now, make the signature Sloppy Joe sauce. Add 3 4-cup ketchup, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon salt. Pour in 1 cup water, then stir everything together until well combined. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. The sauce will thicken and coat the beef perfectly with rich, savory flavor. While the filling cooks, lightly toast 4 hamburger buns in a pan or toaster until golden brown. To assemble, spoon a generous amount of the sloppy joe mixture onto the bottom half of each bun. If you like, top with cheddar cheese, sliced pickles, or coleslaw for extra flavor and crunch. Finish with the top bun. Serve immediately with French fries, potato chips, or a fresh salad for a complete meal. This homemade sloppy joe is juicy, hearty, and packed with flavor. It's an easy recipe that's perfect for busy weeknights and guaranteed to become a family favorite. Enjoy your meal and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy recipes.